Hello guys, so today in this video we are going to see complete live review about this awesome product called ProfitName, which is a never done before GoDaddy and Hostgator killer software that lets you start your own domain and hosting selling business today and bank huge profits. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, its various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 5 free action taken bonuses totally free worth rupees $699 for you. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started.
Welcome to ProfitName, your one-stop shop for selling hosting and domains in bulk to your customers. As you can see, we're currently looking at the shop. We have the access to get hosting, so we can provide hosting on top of domains for our customers, and we can also have them search for different domains such as, and we can change the pricing as we want, so we can make the best profit possible off of high demand domains, and then also adjust the pricing on our hosting so we can make sure that we get the best offers from our hosting part of the shop. But this is all good and well. So we have domain searches, we have domain generators, we have reverse IP lookups, everything. So your customers can use your shop that you can brand as your own without needing to go anywhere else. So you can provide them with hosting, with domain, and everything else they need so they can jumpstart their business. So let's have a look at the backend and see what we can modify about this shop. Now, the best thing about ProfitName is that you'll have access to your very own shop. That means you'll be able to modify everything as you want because you'll have entire access to that shop. And as we can see, we can head on to general and then rebrand the logo, rebrand the name, select our link for our hosting offers, change our footer attribution, add some custom HTML if we want to, change all of our SEO settings so your site is going to rank first, get access to all of the tools included in ProfitName, put in a bunch of ads on your shop so you can generate profit from selling domains and hosting and from ads, customize it with your own code if you want to, have full access to all of the TLDs that you need so you can sell your domains and sell your hosting with as much profit as possible. You can have up to 1,000 TLDs on ProfitName and modify their pricing to make sure that you're providing the best service possible for your customers. We can see all of our orders, we can see all of the user accounts that are created with ProfitName, so you can check your customers' orders, you can help them find a better fit for them. And then obviously add your own contact settings, add your own API, modify ProfitName so it fits exactly your brand, and get access to thousands of TLDs and hosting offers that you can use to start selling immediately. On top of that, with integrated support and training, so you can have access to all of the tools you need to start your business, ProfitName is a no-brainer. So check it out right now, and I can't wait to see you inside.